What's the meaning of Anglican? Anglican. 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 Anglican.
Anglican refers to the branch of Christianity that developed in England and spread around the world through British colonialism. Anglicans recognize the authority of the Archbishop of Canterbury and the Book of Common Prayer, but also prioritize scripture and tradition. Anglican worship typically includes hymns, prayers, and communion. There are variations of Anglicanism, such as High Church and Low Church, that differ in their emphasis on ritual and ceremony. Overall, Anglicanism is a diverse and global denomination that values both unity and diversity in its beliefs and practices.